Hi to all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the basic tools and menus which we use in PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And also today we are going to see how to convert this PPT into MP4 format. So converting a presentation into a visual format, audio visual formats. Right? Come, let's see.
Hi, now we are going to see how to convert this PowerPoint presentations into MP4 format, that is into video format. Before that, we'll see what are the tools, menus are there in the PowerPoint presentations, right? So first I just open this PowerPoint presentations PPT, right? Right. So this is a blank PowerPoint presentations. So you can add any background or there is any themes or designs to it, right? In this design menu, go to design menu. This is a design which was already there. You can, when you just click it, it will be applied, right? So these are some of the inbuilt designs which is already available in the PowerPoint presentations. So fonts, effects, styles, everything will be there. Okay, so this is the basic menu, right? So styles, okay. So these are the first basic designs which we have. We also can format this background template. We also customize this background template with our own templates, with our own designs. So first we have to design the template, then we have to go right click, format background, then click on this picture or texture, choose file and locate where the file is. I'm just saved it in desktop, so I'm just clicking in this PPT template. So this is my template, but this template which has also this designs, right? So these designs were also there, you can use with the designs, else click the default one. This is the default one, right? So this is my template which I created. So you can click apply to all. Just after selecting this in this file, click apply to all, so it will apply to all the new slides which you insert, right? So this is the home menu which you already know what are there in the home menu. Fonts, bold, italic, paragraph, this text aligned, bulletins and numberings are there, which you already see in MS Word, right? So now we move on to some tools. So I'm just going to insert some tools. I'm just going to insert some table for this. So insert table. So to insert table, just go insert tables. So number of rows and number of columns which you need, which you want, you can select over here, right? Then table style is also available in this PPT itself. So you can select which style you want, the lighter one, medium one, whichever slides you need. So this is bounded columns, last column highlighted, first column highlighted. So whatever you need, you just total rows highlighted, right? So you can add n number of columns and n number of rows which fits for your slides, right? You can also add some effects, right, to the table to attract shadows to the table. Since the background is a dark color, the shadows which is not clear, right, reflections are there which you can see here. So if I apply it, so the reflections are there. So this is a table, right? If you want to insert some pictures for the students, if you want to insert some pictures to show what are the things are there, you can just click pictures, then select the pictures where it is, right? So I'm going to select the default pictures which is there in the computer. Okay, so I'm just going to select this picture, penguins. So it comes here, so we can able to adjust it and we can able to move it and keep wherever we need. And if you want to crop it, suppose you have some pictures and you want to crop it, just double click this picture, click crop over here, then you can crop your picture. Then double click. Right, now the picture is cropped. Right, see the old one after cropping the new picture. So you can insert a picture in this slides, and it can also have some effects for these pictures, right? Then insert. You can also insert pictures from online. When you just click this, it will search in online, and from online you can able to select it. And also you can select some screenshot clippings. So I just want to select this one, so this screenshot will come over here, right? So you can take some screenshots and also you can insert, right? Then the most important thing is shapings. For example, to have a graph like structures or some shapes, we can use this shape tool. So I'm just going to show some graph. I'm just creating some manual graph, so you can select some shapes over here, colors or things, shape, outline, weightage, so to increase this, right? So insert, again shape, now I just want to add some curve like this, then just go again to shapes, just insert shapes, curve. Right, again you can able to change this line style whatever you want, and colors or shape fills, right? Shape outline you can change, right? Then if you want to add some other shapes, just a line, just click, sorry, line, okay, other things, right? So you can also add some charts over here, so chart column category wise like this, pie charts, so whatever there in the excels, right? This is a category, we can work on excels and we can create a chart and we can insert over here, right? So this is a chart column. I just show it in the next slide. So this chart I'm just going to use, yeah, the chart. This is weightages, and for this weightages this chart is here, right? So we just close this, the chart is there, right? Fine. Then so these are some of the basic tools which we use for these presentations, right? Header, or if you want to use any word art, you can use word art, okay? And you can use some symbols, pre-installed symbols are there, then which we can use in this Pythagoras, right? So just change color, since the background is dark, so just change color so we can able to see the formulas, right? So if you want to increase the font size, you can increase, okay, then click next. So in the next slide we are going to insert some text. So the default text we can add over here, right? So maybe you can give some headings and you can give some informations or descriptions over here. So you can add some text over here. And if you have any text in Word document, you want to convert insert the text from the Word document. Okay, so just open the Word document first. It's going to insert this text. So what is contract costing? This is the heading of this one. So changing the style, color of the font and increasing the font style. You can change the font also. So, right. So for this answer, I'm just again going to copy and paste the answers. Right. So it's changing the font color, size. You can drag. Right. So you can able to left align, center align, right align, and justify it. And if you want to add some pictures for this, so just the same window. So the text is here. You want to add some pictures. I'm just going to add a picture on this. So you can go insert picture and select the picture. The other method, I'm just going to open this picture, right click, copy and paste. Right. So if I want to edit this, so double click, I want to crop it, so I'm just going to crop it, double click. Then if I want to increase it, adjust it, so I'm adjusting. Okay, so right, same ways you can also insert some videos. So insert video, so I'm just going to insert a video. I'm just going to move on to the next slide. So I'm just going to insert a video in this. So I'll just insert video from online, and you can also insert video from your PC. So I'm just going to insert this video. So the video is there. If you want to customize it, you can customize it like this pictures, where you want to have this video. You can have some text over here. For example, this is the text. This is an example test. So added over here simultaneously. Okay, you can add over the videos also. So if you want, you can play this video. This is an unedited video, so clarity will be not that much, right? So just to show how to insert this video, right? You can edit this video also. You can crop the size, right? Let's see how it looks when it's in PowerPoint. So it will look like this. So if you want to play here manually, just click this, so the video will get played. Simultaneously you can show some text and also videos, right?
Now you are clear with this.
So ensure. Okay, then what are the menu other things are there? Yeah, so I'm just going to apply some transactions, right? How the slides has to come in. So push-ups, and just click this slide number 7. I'm just going to apply some transitions. Click the slide number 7. Okay, then push-ups. So it comes like this, right? So I'm just going to see how it looks. The preview is this, right? So after this one, okay, so like this you can apply any kind of transactions which is there already in the transaction box, right? Honeycomb, right? So whatever things you like, you can apply here. Right? So these are some transactions which is there already available in the PPT itself, right? So you want to apply to all for only one slide. So if you want to apply to all, just click apply to all. So all slides will be the same transaction will be applied to the all slides. Okay, right? Now what we are going to do? Wait, I'm just going to apply this slide transition. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply these animations for the text, right? So I'm just clicking on this. So fly in. So this is the first thing has to come. Then this one to appear, and I'm just clicking this one for, let's choose anything. This is emphasize and this is exit. Okay, so for more effects you can click over here. I'm just going to do bounce. Yes. So let's see how it looks. So I'm just applying some animations on this page alone. So it will not apply for this page. This will apply for only this page and for this heading, content, and this picture. So let's just look how it applies. Right. So when you click, it automatically comes. Okay. Then you can also set time for the slides. Okay, the duration is 2. Okay, so after that it will automatically comes, else when you click it will automatically comes, right? So these are the basic things in PowerPoint presentation, basic things and basic tools in PowerPoint presentations, right? Now let's move on to the what actually we just want to see, how to insert an audio and how to convert this PPT to a video file, right? So how to insert an audio, how to give an voiceover in this. So I'm just going to have some new window. So okay, so I'm just going to delete all those things. So I'm just going to give a voiceover for the text, right? So for this, so now for this 2 slides I'm just going to give voiceover and I'm just going to convert it into a video, right? So you can add some n number of slides and you can give a voiceover to the slides and insert an audio to the slides and you can convert to the video. So how to convert it? There are two ways to give voiceovers, right? First one is insert audio. Okay, record my audio. So I'm just going to record an audio for this first slide alone, right? So I'm just going to click record. So I'm just going to give a voiceover for this. So what is contract costing? A contract costing is also known as a terminal costing. It is the form of specific order costing which applies where work is undertaken to customers' special requirements and each order is of long durations. Contract costing is used by concerns like construction firms, civil, engineering contractors, shipbuilders, etc. Right? So once finished, just click OK. Right? You can view this, hear this audio. I'm going to give a voiceover for this. So what is contract costing? A contract costing is also known as a terminal costing. It is the form of specific order costing which applies where work is undertaken to customers' special requirements and each order. So if you want to edit this audio, okay, if you want to trim this audio, if you want to edit this audio, just double click this. Okay, view, sorry, not view, for playback, just double click this, go to playback, right? So you can check from here. If you want to trim this, just click on trim, just click from where you want to start. See, so I'm just going to give a voiceover for this. So what is contract costing? So I doesn't want to these words. I'm just going to give a voiceover. So I'm just going to trim it. So I'm just going to give a voiceover for this. So what is contract costing? right? So till this I'm just going to trim.
Contract costing. Contract costing. What is contract costing?
Right, so I'm just going to click OK. Now listen from where it starts.
What is contract costing?
Right,
A contract costing is
so likewise
also
you are supposed to click on second slide and insert audio from record audio. If there is any pre-recorded audio, you just click okay, audio from my PC. If you have to insert going to insert audio from online, just click online audio. So I'm just going to click record audio, and for this second slide I'm just going to record audio. Alright, so the term complete contract. The term complete contract is an executed contract, and a contract is completed. The contract price is credited to the account. Any balance of materials and tools also credited. All the cost incurred for the contract are debited to the account. The difference in the account represents. You can also add some additional information to the slides regarding this contract costing, regarding to your slides, right? So you can add n number of times of audios, sorry, n number of seconds of audios, okay, which you can able to explain in detail about the slides. Then after n, you just click stop and click OK. So the audio will come over here. You can just click and drag it, and if you want to edit, go to playback, trim audio, and you can able to edit. Okay, so this is the first way you can add a audio. The second way is that I'm just going to delete these audios, right? So now you can see in the two slides there is no audio over here, right? So the second way, I'm just clicking this slideshow, record slideshow. Click on record slideshow, start record from the beginning. I just want to give audio for all the slides. I'm going to 2 slides, so I just want to give all this for audio for all the slides. So I'm just going to click record, start recording from beginning. Suppose if you want to have audio for only this second slide, then click record slideshow, start recording from current slide. So current slide is second slide, right? So I just want to give audio for all the slides, and is going to click record audio from all slides, start recording. So it comes in the presentation view, right? So I'm just going to click what is contract costing. So I'm just going to give audio for this explanation for this audio. So contract costing is also known as terminal costing. It is a form of specific order costing. So we have to give some explanation about these videos and these pictures and everything, so that audio gets recorded, right? So now I'm going to move on to the second slide. So this audio will be recorded, right? So now I'm going to give explanation for this second slide about complete contracts. That audio will be get recorded. Okay, so finish. Now see what is the audio is there in the second slide.
So it comes in the presentation, right? So I'm just going to click what is contract costing. So I'm just going to give audio for this explanation for this audio. So contract costing is also known as terminal costing. It is a form of specific order costing. So, and we have to give some explanation about these videos and
This is audio in the first slide, and we'll see what is there in the second slide.
So this audio will be recorded, right? So now I'm going to give explanation for this second slide about complete contract. That audio will be get recorded.
Okay, so now we recorded everything. Now our PPT got ready. So we have to change this as a video presentation, not a PPT like a slideshow, like going over here, clicking the slideshow, these things. So even this will works. Okay, even this will work. So now I'm just going to show a slideshow. So I'm just clicking it.
Comes in the presentation,
right?
So I'm just going to click what is.
So you can have this video like this, a presentation like this. So I'm just going to convert this as a video file. So how to convert this presentation to a video file? Two options are there, right? I'm just going to show first one. File, save as, just choose the save place. I'm just going to save it in a desktop. Then type save as type a file name. I'm just going to do test1, right? Then click save type as and search for this MPEG video, that is MP4 video. Just click on this MPEG video, save it. Okay? So you can see over here creating video test 1.mp4. yeah, so it's the process is going on here. You can able to see till it has to complete here, right? This is the first method, converting this PPT into video. Let it complete it. Okay, it will take time based upon the content which you have in your slides. So it's getting converted a bit faster now. Right, so now it's converted. So now it is a video file, right? You can see the type is VLC MP4 file. It's 5 MB. I'm just going to open it. It's opening in
So
VLC
comes
player.
in the presentation.
So it's a video.
Right? So I'm just going to click. What is
See,
contract costing?
I
Going to
just-
give audio for this explanation for this audio. So contract costing is also known as ternary costing. It is views and shows and everything. Audio gets ordered. Right? Now I'm going to slide.
So once it moves,
I'm going to move on to the second slide.
so once it moves to the second slide, see.
Order, right? So now I'm going to move on to the second slide. So this audio will be recorded, right? So now I'm going to give explanation for this second slide about complete contract. That audio will be get recorded. Okay.
Right, so this is the files which we recorded. The second way to convert this video, go to file, export. If you want to create this into a PDF or SPX format, you just click this one. If you want to convert to the presentation CD, then you have to change this, right? I'm just going to create a video, right? Then you can able to change this resolutions. For computer HD high definitions, the default is 1028 into 720. For portable devices like small mobiles and other things, we can able to click this small, but the resolution is really very low. And for internet and other DVDs, we can able to give a medium size. And then comparing with this first one, HD display, the other things, the resolution will be get low. So default, click on this one and use narration and timings. You can just leave as it is, then create a video. And it will ask where to save. I'm just going to save it in desktop as test2. See, the default save type, it already came, so we doesn't click on that. Okay, so click save. Again it will click again it will save here. We can see here how it is getting saved. So these are the basic things which we have to know in PPT, and these things we can able to present it. Now we can able to upload these videos in YouTube's, or we can share these presentations in SlideShares or some other things to share our informations, right? Hope these are the basic things in presentations, PPT, Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. We'll see in next videos.
So hope now you're clear with PowerPoint presentations, the basic tools in PowerPoint presentations, and also how to convert the PowerPoint presentations. So we can able to convert this PowerPoint presentations into MP4 format, so that we are able to upload this video in YouTube's, and we can also share these videos to others, right? Thank you for watching this video. If you doesn't subscribe my channel and press the notification icon so that you will get a new updates whenever I upload in my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.